algebra, we are going to see nature of roots of quadratic equation. We know a quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. We know its roots can be obtained by the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The nature of the roots depends on the value b squared minus 4ac. The nature of the roots depends on the value b squared minus 4ac. The value of the expression b squared minus 4ac, it discriminates the nature of the roots, and so it is called the discriminant. It is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Okay, so depends upon this discriminant we can find out the nature of the roots of the equation. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac we know it is b squared minus 4ac. So depends upon this value we are going to determine the nature of the roots. Suppose if this discriminant value is greater than 0 but it's not a perfect square, this is the first case. Then in this case the roots are real and equal and irrational. The second case, this discriminant value is greater than 0 and if it is a perfect square. In that case the roots would be real and equal and rational. And suppose if it is equal to 0, in that case the roots are real, equal and rational. If that value is less than 0, in that case the roots are unreal, that means they are imaginary. Let us see one example. Suppose if we want to determine the nature of the roots of the equation x squared minus 11x minus 30 equal to 0. So in this equation, if we note down the value of a equal to 1, value of b it's negative 11, and the value of c equal to negative 30. Then find out the discriminant b squared minus 4ac b squared minus 4ac, which is equal to negative 11 the whole squared minus 4 times 1 times b squared minus 4ac 30, and that gives you the answer 121 plus 200 and sorry 121 plus 120, so it is 241. Okay, so here the value is greater than 0, discriminant value is greater than 0, but not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. So here the roots are real, unequal, and irrational.